Oh, yeah.
Says we're on.
Right.
So
I've got two Zooms going at one time.
Well, it says we're live streaming now.
Yes, it does.
Okay, then how do we get this?
I've got two Zooms going at one time.
Really?
It says we're live streaming.
Yes, it does.
Deja vu.
Yeah,
Deja vu, yeah, is that what you said?
okay.
Okay, who wants to take the lead on this? Yeah,
Well, Judge, as I understand, we're just here at the status setting. Ms. Starnes and I spoke earlier today, and we've agreed, of course, with the court's permission, that depending on the court's trial schedule, that we're both available either October or November for trial in the event this case does go to trial.
okay.
Nope.
Darian's saying no. We're pretty full the rest of this year because of the lag, the over a year lag in cases. There's a huge backlog, so.
We're already doing a capital murder in October and last week of October, first week of November.
Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to jump it into the next year.
And
Okay.
the reason, Judge, I was talking to Mr. Velasquez about doing something sooner than later is I'm going to be starting a death penalty capital case in Bastrop in February, and I expect that's going to go, 2 or 3 months on that case. And so I was hoping to get this done before the end of this year, just to get it off our plate before I started that
Well,
capital case.
It's possible I could get another judge and do it in a week where we're in Matagorda.
Gotta make sure we get another court reporter too.
Yeah.
And they're hard to
And
come
they're
by
hard
in
to
the
find,
summer.
Judge Harden.
Period.
Yeah, logistics is always a problem.
Hold on, let me talk to Mark a minute.
I guess if we
Judge.
needed to, Judge, if that's something that's possible that you need a little time to look into, we don't necessarily need to jump onto a trial docket today. We could set another status. Is that something maybe to look into? I think we were just both looking at what will move the case along, and also
November
needing to.
Oh, Darian is saying we can do it November 15th.
That would be
Okay.
perfect, I think.
Right.
It can't take more than a week.
Well, I'm not going to put a limit on it. We'll just, no.
Okay.
Because once we start, we go till we finish.
November 15th then.
Okay.
Okay, that works for us. I'm not familiar, Judge, with your scheduling and how you want to, what's next? Do we have a deadline for motions, filing, or another pretrial?
I'll leave that up to the lawyers. If you want to have an order setting out deadlines and it's agreed, I'll sign it. If not, then, we'll. But I generally let the lawyers be lawyers to do it.
I'm sure Mr. Velasquez and I can get together and talk about that and agree on
The one thing, if there are any like case dispositive motions, like motions to exclude a confession or any other evidence, I'd like to hear it.
I understand that,
Trial.
Judge. At least for right now, I don't see that happening, but something could occur in the future.
Okay, yeah, but anything, like I say, case dispositive or real significant, then I'd want to hear it, at least 30 days before the trial date.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then by then we may be to regular spacing in the courtrooms. As of now, we're using the Civic Center to pick the juries. And, but then we use the regular courtroom for the actual trial.
Okay.
It was a DWI case, so.
Yeah. Nothing that you needed a very big jury pool for, I assume.
Correct.
Do we want to set it for just some sort of interim setting, maybe in
Sure.
October or, I don't know, September or?
Yeah, maybe September and October, but
September is a little tricky. I have a vacation plan, so I don't know what court dates you have available.
well, October 4th, that's, that's a good day. And that's a regular criminal ancillary date here.
That works too. Do we want to have anything in between, like a status hearing, Mr. Velasquez?
I don't know. I guess you and I can work out the details, and if we could probably work out some type of deadline for settings and motion settings. But at least looking at my calendar right now, October looks good for the next setting. I think if something else happens, we can advise the court and say we need to have a setting or another Zoom conference.
That works for me too.
On that October setting, if it's possible, it'd be nice to do it in person so you can see
Yeah, that would be great.
the land here.
That's
It
fine,
looks
yeah.
like all that.
Can we do an afternoon setting or does it need to be morning?
Sure. Yeah, we can do it in the afternoon. Huh? What are you saying?
Like several days or whatever.
I don't think so. Yeah, we could do it at 1:30 on the, what did I say, the 5th?
So the 4th, but.
Okay. Yeah, October 4th. It says, place it says October 5th, and then the other one says October 4th. So, but October 4th, I assume is it. So,
It's the wrong day.
so at 1:30, we'll do an in-person hearing with whatever we need to talk about then.
Okay,
Yes,
on
sir.
October 4th, okay. And then we can just talk about our deadlines between the two of us.
Okay.
What are we doing?
We're having a hearing on October 4th, like pretrial kind of stuff.
Miss Starnes, can I get you to send me an email reminding me of that because we're using
Sure,
the computer right now?
I will, thanks. And
Thank you.
I think we can appear in person though, so no problem.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay.
Okay,
Maybe we'll use the old courtroom for this trial. I don't know. We'll see what they're doing. Okay, anything else we need to talk about today?
No, sir. I just
I don't
wanted
believe
to
so.
look at Mr. Shimmick on the line. I just want to advise him I'll be there later on this week to speak to him, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is he in Wharton?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this in. Thank you very much, and I'll
thank you.
seeing y'all at least.
All right, okay. Well, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure. Bye.